Alright, guys. Good morning. Good morning. I hope we had a very good yesterday. Yeah, let's quickly do our analysis here today on gold, right? The daily is let's remove 1 second. Give me 1 second. What's going on here, man? Alright, so on the daily we there's still some things here to remove. Yeah. On the daily we are bullish. We'll close like small body bullish candle yesterday. On the 4 hours time frame, we are pushing up right now, but we'll have this resistance here based on the 4 hours time frame. All right, we have a resistance from on the 1 hour. Yeah, on the 30 minutes it still makes sense at this point. All right, so this 30 minutes candle is closing in like 40 seconds. Man, I think we should be able to keep pushing up, but I don't really like the range that we're in right now, because now this candle has pushed a lot back to this um breakout area. Let me call this a breakout here. So I don't think at this point we can keep pushing up easily. The time is 8 a.m., which is 7 a.m. in the morning in UK. Yeah, well, it could work, but I just feel that if I wanted to buy this thing, it should have been from this point here. Stop loss would have been below this area. I don't know what happened here now, but let's just watch and see. Now we have moved 1 2 3 bullish candles on the 15 minutes, and on the 30 minutes we from the opening of this candle we've moved the 252 pips. Right, so the chances that 1 hour also has closed bullish, but it closed very nicely. Ideally we should continue pushing up till like 5,190 area. It makes sense to do that, but let's see. well well let's see. Let's see. To be honest, if we break this high here, it makes sense to keep pushing up. But at the same time, the chances that we are going to, push another 100 pips is very, very slim. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to reduce my risk on this one. I'm not going to use my full lot size on this one. So if we break this high, if we break this high again, well, depending on where this candle makes a lower wick, let's see. Depending on when this kind of where this candle makes a lower wick. Okay, okay. Let me try this buys right now. Let me try the buys. Hmm. 20 pips, 30 pips. Nice push. You know what? 34 pips, I'm going to close something here, and I'm going to take this stop loss here. Wow, this is a very quick trade. Whoa, man. Now I wish I used my full lot size here. I don't want this trade to go back on losses for any reason. So that is why I kept it at break even. It's a very quick trade, so yeah, let it go. If it's ever comes back to break even, then yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I think I'm about to get stopped out. I'm about to get stopped out. But if it happens, it's okay. If it stops me out at this point, it's okay. Ideally, the volume should keep. I might actually get stopped out here anyway, but the volume should keep pushing this thing to like 5,190 area, to be honest. To be honest. Well, I might get stopped out before that happens. I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, I closed 90% of that. I opened 0.5 and I closed 0.4 because the area that we're pushing to, see, we have this minor resistance here. We also have this area here, so I don't know what happens at this point. If this one goes on break even after moving 30 pips, it's okay for me. It's okay for me. I'm about to get stopped out. Alert 1, alert 2. Yeah, stopped out. I'm happy with that, trust me. I'm happy with that. If it goes, let it go, because to be honest, it's very risky, all right? Look, from my experience in trading gold, even though that gold right now has very high volume, all right? Very high volume. We have moved 1, 2, 3 bullish candles, all right? And in these 3 bullish candles, we've moved about 200 pips. 368 pips. So the chances that gold can make another 100 pips here, even though that we have volume on gold right now, is very slim, to be honest, but it should ideally continue towards 5,192 area. But yeah, I it is what it is. I got stopped out on break even. I got something there. Got about 23 pips in total. I'm okay with that. So right now I just want to let gold retrace, give us some sort of retracement at this point. If gold should retrace, then yeah, it will make sense to buy it to continue to 5,190 area. That is what I'm gonna wait for here. That is what I'm gonna wait for. By the way, this is 100k Dominion funding account. 100k funded Dominion funded trader. So let's see how we'll do with this account for the rest of the year. So we'll see. Let's go to all history of this account, see started and sitting on $572 in profit right now. So we'll keep trading the accounts for the rest of the year. Let's see if we can make 30%, 40%, 50%, 60% on this account, doing the same thing every single day here together. Yep. At some point in this account, from the first trade, I had $500 losses here, $600 losses here. It was 1,000 plus on losses. But you know what? I did not allow this thing to, bring my mindset lower. I did not. So what did I do? Gradually, I brought it back, and now we are sitting on $500 in profits. So hopefully we'll do better. Let's say last week we did, I've done $1,190 in profit in this account since last week. The last trade was just this one I just closed a few minutes ago that took me on break even. This is the last trade here. So let's see if we can move this 100k account, 100k Dominion funded account to 30, 40k, 50k at the end of the year, gradually, step by step. All right, step by step after each other. Yep. Let's look at GJ here today. Let's look at GJ. Let me remove all analysis here right now. So on the daily time frame on GJ, we are bearish. We are bearish on the daily time frame, and we are also approaching the support. We are approaching support here on the 4 hours time frame. The 4 hours is forming, let's see, it's still whatever there. The 1 hour time frame is forming a support. To be honest, I don't see anything on GJ here, apart from maybe if we close. Let me do something here, 1 minute. Let me reduce this thing. Yep. Right. We also have support on GJ, but that's basically it. If we close below, sorry, above this area, we'll have about 20 pip range to that resistance. That is the only thing I could see here on GJ. Aside from that, maybe if we close below this area, then we could potentially keep pushing down. We could potentially keep pushing down. GU is pushing right now. GU daily is bearish 4 hours, is bullish 1 hour, is bullish 30 minutes, is bullish 15 minutes. Should, yep, it is whatever right now. I just want to focus on gold here today. I want gold to come down and create a support for me to buy gold. I want to buy gold. I don't want to sell gold today. If it comes down, creates a support, then I'll buy gold. Yep. That is what I'm waiting for at this point. You should be able to come down, create a new support, then I'll buy the support for it to retest the highs. That is the only thing I'm waiting for here on gold today. Because looking at the 30 minutes time frame, you will say, okay, gold is creating a support. Ideally, it should keep, pushing up as it's breaking this high. But yeah, I knew that. Look, we have moved 200 pips from this opening, 256 pips from this opening of this bullish candle. What are the chances that the next candle can push extra, easily 100 pips? It is very, very slim at that point. That is why I said, okay, I took a buy. Let me open my history here. So yeah, right there I took a buy, right? So as we approach this minor resistance here, I closed 90% of that trade. The rest got stopped out just above my entry on break even. So it is what it is. So I took this trade just in case gold continues, maybe volume is kicking in there for gold to keep pushing to the upside, then I won't have to miss that trade. But yeah, I managed it as it came down on break even. On break even here, I wouldn't want to allow any trade to go on losses when it's at least above 30 pips in profit. I must bring my stop loss to break even. If it takes me out on break even, it's okay, it's fine. Because I would feel so terrible about myself if I let a winning trade go back on losses. I won't feel happy at all. I'm not going to feel very happy, to be honest. Yes, so that is why I put my stop loss on break even as we moved 30 pips. And if I'm putting my stop loss on break even, I'm securing something. If gold moves 500 pips, 200 pips, as long as I'll follow my risk management protocols, I'm okay, right? I'm okay. I'm comfortable with whatever thing I get at that point. I'm comfortable with anything I get at that point, to be honest. So right now it's going to be a waiting game. 15 minutes has closed bearish. The next 15 minutes candle is breaking this low now. One thing about a single candle closing in an opposite direction, it is very risky. Very risky. Somebody could say, okay, gold has closed bearish, we moved down, we retested, closed bearish, creating a new resistance. This new candle should be able to break this low and then keep pushing to the downside. It's simple said than the way gold moves. I really don't care about a single candle pushing in a certain direction. Especially the 30 minutes is still open. That's about 12, less than 30 minutes to close. 1 hour or so is open, and 1 hour here created a support. All right, the higher the time frame, the stronger the sentiment, the stronger the direction of the currency pair. So 1 hour would say something better than the 15 minutes or the 5 minutes will say, right? So am I going to trust what the 15 minutes is saying when the 1 hour time frame is saying otherwise? The time frames, they must all tell me the same thing before I can decide to take a trade. That is the way I do my confirmations. I've been waiting for you, broski. I thought you start straight at 8 a.m. Yeah, I think I started 8 a.m. I started 8 a.m. I think even before I started before 8 a.m. because I've been streaming for like 22 minutes here now. How are you doing, bro? You good? I took a trade, even though it was a very quick one. As this candle formed support, I was looking at it and I wanted to get a buy from this break of this high here. It was about 170 pips, but somehow I just didn't want to take a trade before this candle closes, but it's pushed way too much. Now, as this next candle here, it initially made a lower wick. As it was breaking that high, I took a buy. You can see the arrows there. I took a buy there. It moved like about 34, 33 pips. I was like, you know what? Let me just close something and break in at that point, because we have this area here that is a rejection. So if volume should keep pushing it up, then good. But if it doesn't, because whenever gold moves a lot in a single candle, the chances some other candles will keep pushing in that direction is very slim. Look at what happened here. We'll have this candle, 1, 2, 3 bullish candles pushing to the upside. All right. So I was very skeptical that what are the chances that the next candle will also be a bullish candle. I was like, it's very slim, but you know what, I still don't want to miss it. In case 7 a.m. volume of the UK London time would keep pushing towards 5,190 area. So I was quick in that trade. I only got about 30 pips. I broke even and that was it. So right now the only thing I can see I'm going to wait for here is some sort of retracement. I want to see gold push down a little bit before retracing. I'm good, OJ. I don't want to make mistake by missing your trades. Well, it's no mistake if you miss a trade. It's better missing a trade than losing a trade. Trust me. The pain you're going to feel when you miss a trade is not the same pain you're going to feel when you lose a trade. I would always want to, miss a trade than to lose a trade. And to be honest, if I lose a trade right now, I don't really feel bad, because you know why? I have already known how much I'm willing to lose in that trade. Right? I've already planned in my plan. I've already had it in my plan that look, I'm going to lose only 1% or 2% of my equity in this trade. All right, now even inside the 1 to 2% that I'm risking, Basically, this account I'm risking only about 1%. So inside the 1% I'm risking, I still want to manage my risk. How can I lose lesser? How can I lose 0.5? How can I lose 0.6? How can I lose 0.7? Instead of losing the entire 1%. You know what? If you are taking a trade and it is not going in your favor, there are signs that these candles, there are ways that these candles will start to print, will start to move, that will tell you, say, look, boy, at this point, you need to manage this trade. You need to manage this risk. You need to close 50%. You need to take something out of this thing so that if it goes down to your stop loss completely, you are not going to lose the entire 1%. You could save 0.3, you could save 0.4. It is something. It is something so that when you win your next trade, you could cover up those losses. So even if I lose a trade, I don't feel bad about it because I already know how much I was willing to lose. I've already planned how much I was willing to lose in that trade, and it's okay, it's fine, to be honest. So I think even if I miss a very good setup that I've been waiting for, especially all day, I've been waiting for this thing to happen, and somehow I wasn't looking at it, only to come back and say that it has moved 200 pips. I feel terrible. I feel very terrible because I've waited for this thing patiently and somehow I wasn't there. So yeah, I think I feel more bad missing a trade than losing a trade, because whenever I execute a trade, I've already told myself that look, the worst possible thing that could happen in this trade is this trade going to my stop loss. So what do I do to protect my emotions about this trade? I will not use a risk that will put me in such a state. I will use a risk that if I lose this thing, I'm okay. If I lose it, it's fine, right? Even when I'm losing it, I will still want to, try and lose lesser. So that is it. That is it. Let's see. My man.
Are you a trader?
Are you a trader? You need trading capital. And it's gonna be some waiting time here now. Gonna be some waiting time. Some waiting time.
Oh, I still do feel there's an advantage on MT5. It's not bad, but still an advantage on MT5. What do you think of sells from 51.73? 51.73. Yeah, I mean, we're basically there already. Okay, let's do it. Where do I go from here? just from the website, man. Here's the website. Click that join now and everything is sorted for you, bro. BTC update. We could update BTC in a minute. I just want to concentrate on what's happening here. I don't want to miss any information here. 3 minutes. We have this candle closing. I want to see how we close, what we do. I'm very glad we didn't just, I wasn't like just FOMO that I need to take a trade and just said, okay, I'm gonna ignore waiting for a close. Because at the same time, this could be frustrating, right? We break the low and just fly down. And then you think to yourself, man, maybe I overthought it. Maybe I just should have trusted the 15-minute candle closing bearish. But you're wrong, because if you said that from the beginning, then you would have just taken the trade like that from the beginning. But look what we have here, right? Look what we have. We have no retest to previous 1 hour. We have 15 is testing basically nothing. We have no 5 change of structure, which we wanted. And we're also bouncing from a zone. Look at this 1 hour, huge liquidity candle on the 1 hour. That can potentially flip and continue bullish. It's a shitty 1 hour range. So do I really want to be a seller this early? No 30-minute candle close, no 5-minute change of structure, fighting a 1 hour candle with a liquidity grab? No, not really, without having a little bit extra confirmation, right? Once we get that, then it's good. We have 400 people in here, 412 people. We're very close to the giveaway. About 37 more people to join the stream, and yeah, we'll do the giveaway for you guys.
Giveaway.
The funded company will depend on what country you're in, right? So some people I know do not have access to certain companies. So if you win the giveaway and you're from a country that does not have access, then I will change what company, right? I will change what company. I was on the phone. What do I have to do on Insta to win? Everyone is eligible. It will be on YouTube. You'll just type a name. Gold and Nas look same for the past 15-20 minutes. Yeah, they are following each other a bit. Yes. Everyone is eligible. Just once we reach 450 viewers, we'll do it. We will do it. Just need to be following my Instagram. That's it. Go, go, go. Yeah, tomorrow, or maybe we can do a quiz today as well on stream. Quiz will be fun on stream. I got a question. What's your question? $429 viewers we just hit now. You guys, yeah, we might hit it now.
20 views away.
Someone gave they have more than 7 pairs of shoes. Pairs of shoes. No. I have quite a few shoes as well.
Watching this guy on YouTube, and let me show you. Because
right, so now as that candle close coming here, we're not closing above. This is not bad because we can make
now
some
we are waiting. So good.
Do I want to take this on a 5 close above? We'll have to see at the time what type of structure we have there. If we have
do something
structure,
here.
then boom, we can do it.
Wait a minute.
I'm sharing it to my friends to get more views. No need to do that.
Why can't I see?
Bro, you're decreasing our chance to win if 450 people rather than 400. No, we just have to hit that.
Okay, before I do that, let's talk about this candle here that just closed.
Plus, I do giveaways every month, man. So
let's talk about this candle here.
I've given away so much money on this stream over.
Hey, bro, give me a sec. So 30 minutes has closed. A bearish candle, interesting, right? 15 minutes closed bullish, but now we have this area here, we'll have this resistance here, and also we created a support. Now the only way I'm going to sell good here is if this candle closes bearish below this area. If this candle closes below this area, then I will take a sell for gold to, retest that low again. This is the type of structure I would always want to see on gold, to be honest. All right. So if we don't continue pushing up to close above this area, then if we close below this area in the next 13 minutes, I will take a sell for gold to keep pushing down. That's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. If this works, then we're going to have a very comfortable trade today. I don't want to take it based on just one candle closing bearish or something, because the 1 hour is still open. The 1 hour is still open. So if the 1 hour is still open, bearish has about 27 minutes to close. 30 minutes just started, 27 minutes to close, 15. So if this 15 minutes candle is able to close below this area, right, that means we are now having a candle close below the most current support that was created. So at that point, it makes very good sense for we to sell the break of this candle's low whenever it closes, and we'll have a push 250 pips or 259.60 pips drop back to this low here. That is the only way I'm going to sell gold. Apart from that, I will wait for something closing above this area. I'll wait for something closing above here for buys. That's what I want to do. Something closing above here. Then if we get a candle closing above here, see, look, we have a clean range here to this high, about 190 pips to 5,190 area. That is what I'm looking for here at this point. So let's say, let me get, where is my tests? Let's say, buys above. Yep. Duplicates. Cannot duplicate. Sells below. Sells below. What? Come on, man. This candle, I need a closure. If this candle just keeps dropping and doesn't close, then it's going to be a very delicate situation. It's going to be a very delicate situation because I wouldn't want to take an impulse entry. I wouldn't want to take an impulse entry on the break of this low, but yeah, it could work, but I don't want that. I want a closure. I want this candle to close.
Stream will do number. Okay, so I'm gonna type the keyword. Who can participate? Yeah, everyone can participate. Last time we did lobster. Should we do lobster again? Guys, you have to enter once. If you spam, I might remove spammers. If I click this, you guys will be not entered. So I'm gonna say this. You guys can only type it once. So if you spam, you're gonna be removed from the giveaway, right? Regular viewer, if you're a viewer, regular viewer, your luck is times by 5x. If you're a regular, if you're a subscriber, your luck is timed by 7x for all subscribers. Actually, no, 5x for a subscriber, 5x luck subscriber, 7x luck for regular viewer. If you're a regular viewer, you will have 7x luck. I don't have you VIP. So now let's do all these people I entered right now. 44 entries, all these people. See, if you're spamming, guys, you get knocked out. If you're spamming, you get knocked out. Don't spam. Type it once. Type it once. Remember, if you're a regular viewer on YouTube, 7x luck, man. That's a lot. So you have 7 entries. 7 entries.
You should have used I am gay.
Good luck. Good luck to everyone. Good luck to everyone.
Interesting. Interesting. I don't know why I'm not able to share the screen here. I wanted to share to show you what this guy.
All right,
is
I'll give you
doing.
guys a little bit. You didn't make this fun? Fuck you, Peter. Go kick rocks, bro.
Go dive rocks, man.
Go kick rocks. Joking, bro. Don't cry. Don't cry. Alright, I'm gonna select a winner soon, guys. So quickly type. I'm gonna select a winner in the next 30 seconds. So we don't drag this on and we can get back to trading.
Yeah. Here you go.
Alright. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Rocket launch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Choose a winner. There we go. Daniel Sobert, can you type a message right now? If you are the winner, Mr. Daniel. Or Dennis, sorry, I'm reading stupid. Mr. Dennis, write something in chat right now.
Mr. Dennis
Waiting
won.
for the message. Oh, there we go. He replied. He replied. Amazing. DM me on Instagram and we will verify your YouTube account. Nice one, nice one, nice one. You had my Instagram link. You DM me there. We will verify your account since we have it. If you're someone who's going to make a fake account with his name, it will not work because we have this verification system that we use. And there we go.
So yeah, let's focus on our stuff here now because gold is closing in like 5 minutes. 5 minutes here. Let's see if I don't want to take an impulse entry with this candle. I want this candle to close so that the next candle can be the one that will get my trade on. 4 minutes for this candle to close. 4 minutes for this candle to close. I can be a better trader by waiting. By waiting. Yeah. Waiting for, candles to close. We are going to wait for candles to close. Oh wow, GJ. Wow, look at that. Look at that, man. Just look at that. Interesting. And I was looking for the buys at this breakout here. Wow, look at that. No bottom wick, and it's just flying. It's just ripping through, bro. Wow. And the spread is getting wider here. What's going on? Did someone say something? Did someone say something? Did someone say something? Hmm. Nothing was said here. So why is the spread on GJ? Okay, yeah, it's okay. Man, I really wanted to buy this thing here. See where I kept my line I wanted to buy from, but I wasn't paying attention to GJ. It has pushed 25 pips. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We can get gold here in 2 minutes if we close below this area. We are gonna get gold. Let's wait. I just pray the volume here on GJ, this massive candle here, the way it's pushing up, right, can be the same massive candle that will come if this candle closes bearish and the next one breaks the low. I would really be happy. 1 minute for this candle to close, 1 minute for the 15 minutes candle to close, the 30 minutes candle is still open, it's still bearish, the 1 hour is still bearish, you know, has 15 minutes to close. Yeah, so the 4 hours, even though it's a bullish candle right now, but yeah, we'll see. We will see. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Can we get... I love how this candle is closing now. Trust me, to be honest. I love how this candle is closing right now. So the next candle just needs to do 2 simple things for me. First, it needs to wake up. I wouldn't want it to break this low instantly. I would need it to wake up. Let me see. Stop loss is going to be 80 pips. I would need this candle to wake up first. Yeah, good closure. I love this. Please give us a top wick because I'm going to sell this thing. I'm going to sell this thing if it's breaking this low now. Oh man, yeah, I'm in. Even though that, yeah, I didn't get a very comfortable top wick, but let's see. Let's see. Stop loss. Oh man, you see that topic I needed? I needed this top wick. I needed this top wick, man. I needed this top wick first. Stop loss is gonna be this. Oh, look at what is going on here, man. This didn't give me a chance to even manage this risk. It did not give me a chance to manage this risk. You know what I'm going to do? Man, I don't like that. If it breaks this 15 minute highs, I'm going to close 50%. Man, that was too quick, to be honest. This candle closed very nicely. Look, 30 minutes broke the low. So it shouldn't have any business to its own high. To be honest, it shouldn't. So we need to push down ASAP. We need to push down ASAP. I don't know why this thing did this kind of blast in a split of a second. Man. Everything about this candle here. Maybe what I did wrong here was taking it at the first 1 minute of this candle. But yeah, it broke the low and man. Can we survive this? Can we survive this? Can we survive this? If this 5 minutes here closes bullish, I'm going to close this trade. Crazy thing on good right now. Crazy thing on good right now, man. Five minutes is closing in 30 seconds. If the next 5 minutes should break this 5 minutes high, then I'll close 50%. I opened the 0.5 in this trade and it's 60 pips in minus right now. Stop loss was like, 109. Man. Okay, if 5 minutes has closed bullish, the next 5 minutes candle should not break this high. It should not break that high. If it's breaking this high, I'm closing 50%. That is how I'm going to manage these trades. Because if it's breaking this high now, trust me, it's coming for that stop loss. 30 minutes is still open, still bearish. You know what? I really want to give a chance to this 30 minutes. I really want to give a chance to this 30 minutes because it's, yeah, At this point is I'll be losing what? I'll be losing $500, which is not even up to my 1%. Yeah. Um, 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 um. Man, man, let's see. Let's see. If we're breaking these 5 minute highs, I'm closing 50%. I will close 50%. We should not break this high if we were to go down. 50 minutes is closing in 7 minutes. It's not breaking 50 minute highs. It's not breaking 50 minute highs. Let's see. Let us see. I really want to give this trade a chance, man, to be honest. I really want to give it a chance, to be honest. But we need to survive this drawdown right now. We need to survive this drawdown. Because the next candle is the London Open candle. So the volume from the London Open could, break this low and we have a push to the downside. This 5 minutes has about 5 minutes to close. 1 minute to close. If it closes bearish, I would like that. If it closes even below this 5 minute support here, I would love it more. Because at that point, the next 5 minutes can, just be a fly down. To be a fly down. Drop, 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 drop. Let's go. You can do it, boy. Drop, drop. Come on, come on, come on. Give us something good. Give us something nice. Break that low, boy. Break it, break it, break it. You know you should do that. Break it. 3, 2, 1. Closure, yeah. I like that. I like that closure. Now we just need to break this low now. We just need to break this low now. If this was not 5 minutes before London Open, trust me, I will be entering another position here. I'll enter another position here because if we leave this week, trust me, we're gonna drop. If we break that week, if we break this week here, then we're coming for this low here. Volume will push it to this low here. Yep. 15 minutes is still open, 30 minutes is still open, closing bearish, 1 hour is closing bearish. Yep. 4 hours has 2 hours to do its thing. We just need a good close on this candle. We just need a good close on this candle. We'll see. We will see. how I'm going to manage this trade now is this current 5 minutes candle should not, I repeat, should not break the highs of this previous 5 minutes candle. If it does that, I am going to close 50%. If it does that, I'm closing 50% of this trade. It should make a top wick, which is making right now, then it should be able to break its own low, then keep pushing to the downside. If for any reason it's breaking these previous 5 minutes highs, then the chances we're coming for that stop loss is very high. It's very high. But to be honest, I really want to see what God will do here. Okay, it's about to break the high. Is it gonna break the high? Is it gonna make us close half? Huh? Are we gonna close half? Are we gonna close half? 2 minutes. Okay, come on now, boy. Now you're breaking your own low, break your own low, break your own low, break it. Come on, let's go, let's go. You can do it, break it, break it. Let's get the drop started. Come on, break the low now, break the low now, boy. What are you doing? What are you doing? You know, I really want London Open to be a drop here on gold, to be honest, because look at this. 30 minutes is closing very strong bearish candle. All right, we retested that area, created a resistance. The next candle bearish, strong bearish candle. We just need the next 30 minutes candle to wake up and break this low. Man, this trade has taken some time to push, but yeah, I think we'll survive this one. 1 minute. 1 minute. 59, 57, 55, 53, 52, 50, 49. Haha. I love how this 30 minutes is closing, but now the issue I am going to have is I don't know how big of a top wick the next 30 minutes candle would want to make, because if it's making a very big top wick, the chances we're going to break this high is very, very high. The chances we'll break this 30 minutes high here, which we should not do, is very, very high. I don't like the way this one is retracing. It should be able to close below this support. Please, in 5 seconds, close below the supports. 3, 2, man. So this is London Open right now. The volume is coming in. Are we gonna break the low? I'm gonna break the low. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Drop, drop, drop. Allah 1, Allah 2. 30 minutes is bearish. 1 hour is closing bearish. We just need to break this low now. We just need to break this low. If we are to survive this trade, we need to break this low. Come on, Mamacita, let's go. Drop, drop, drop. 15 minutes close bullish. I don't like it. I don't like it, to be honest. I don't like it. I don't like it. But yeah, I will still manage this trade. I will still manage this trade. If we let's see. Let's see. Here comes the volume. Here comes the volume. Gentlemen, are you ready? Come on, come on, come on. Break the low, boy. Release that volume. Release that volume and break that low, boy. Do it for me, boy. You know you can do that. You know you can do that, right? You know. Come on, come on, come on. It's hesitating on that low. It is hesitating because it knows that if it, okay, nice, we're breaking the low now. We are breaking the low now. We should now be able to continue this drop to the downside. We should be able to continue. Let's go. Give us a push. Drop, 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 drop. Come on, boy. Do it. Do it. Do it. Young G, Young Lee, are you in? Are you on this trade? Did you enter with me? If you're here, did you get on this trade with me? $20 pips right now. Nice. 20 pips. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Drop, drop, drop. Give us some food here, boy. 26 pips. Let's go. Give us some food, boy. Come on, come on, come on, hey, come on, go, drop, boy. Hey, drop, boy. You're taking some time here, boy. Drop, drop, drop already, man. You know, this week here is my concern now. This week here, if we're able to break this week here, 35 pips, 35 pips. You know what? 37 pips. I closed something here. I closed something here. I'm gonna bring the stop loss here now to this high. Yep. Stop loss to this current 30 minutes highs, because now if I keep this stop loss on break even, I am going to make it easy for this thing to stop me out. So I'll just leave it at where it is. Then if we push down, you know, 70, 80 pips, I'll bring my stop loss on break even. I'll bring it on break even. But right now I close 0.4, just leaving 0.1 to run, because this week's here now could be our concern. You see, this area is a very delicate situation area. Yep. 40 pips, 43 pips, 44 pips. Nice. Drop, drop, drop. Drop, drop, drop. I like that. 42 pips. 60, 70 pips. Oh, wow. You know what? Let's close some more here. Yep. Now stop loss is coming on break even at this point. Stop loss on break even at this point, gentlemen. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I like this. I love this. You will love this. You will love this. Man. What a good day. What a good day it is. What a good day it is. So if I get stopped at on break even now, it's okay, man. It's okay. Trust me, it's okay. It's okay. That was a good trade, man. To be honest, this thing dropped 80 pips. It dropped 80 pips. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. To be honest, GJ corrected all this whole drop now. GU pushing down to. Oh yeah, I like this, boy. You know what? We've gotten our trade for today. It was a very comfortable 80 pips drop. 80 pips drop. So right now, just holding what? Nothing. Just holding 0. I don't want to give anything back to gold. I take everything from gold, man. I take everything from it. So I just have like 0.01 running here. Now I had 0.5 lots. That's half lots. So he pushed down 80 pips and I closed. Oh, let's see. Are we gonna hit 100 pips? 100 pips, 100 pips going. 100 pips going, 100 pips going. 89, 90, give me 90, give me 90, give me 90, give me 90. 100 pips. Oh, oh. Crazy, boy. 104, 104. Give me 120, 120, 120. Give me 120. Come on, come on, come on. You can do it. Give me 120. 110, 111. Give me 120. One more push, one more push. Okay, it's not giving me that. Yeah. It's not giving me that. It's not giving me that. 100 pips. Man. Isn't that lovely? Alright guys, you know what? I'm gonna head off. It was a very good one. We've been here for an hour now and we got a very sweet trade. Sweet trade. So now you can have a very beautiful week ahead. You guys, I'll see you on Tuesday. For now, adios. Adios. I'm gonna get 120, 120, 120, 120, 120 before I go, 120 before I go, 110, 113, 14. Give me 125 go. So that I can close my trade. Give me 120 so I can close my trade. 120. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 105, 105, 104, 106, 105. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You know what? God doesn't want to give it to me, so yeah. It's should I hold this? Should I hold this? Should I hold this? Or should I close it? Give me 120 so I can close 120, 120, 120, 120 pips, 120 pips. Give me. He's not giving me that. Alright, so guys, take care. I'll see you on Tuesday, the same time, 8 a.m. GMT. Please like, follow, share, and subscribe. Make a feel come back a beg, so that I can be able to see a reason to come back and see you guys on Tuesday. All right, adios.